All. Welcome to my French class. Today we will be doing the pronoun relative sentence. So here we are starting. So pronoun relative sample, there are four types. So the first one is it's he, her, who and dom. So in this video we will be discussing the previous two pronoun related, that is he and he. So here it is. The meaning of he and her is what, that is that, who and which. And they are generally used as a pronoun. And now the question arises, why do we use the pronoun? We use the pronoun to avoid the repetition. Now further we will be learning with some few examples. The first one is we will be doing he. Now the question arises, where the he is used. The first one we use he is used before the verb. The second one is it is used to replace the subject, and the third one is used to refer to the people and the thing. So whenever we use he, we always keep these 3 points in mind. So what is the first one? The verb, replace and refer. Now the first example is she visits the professor. She will visit the professor. The professor is sick. Okay. So how you will see the professor? The professor is what? It is a subject, right? And we have to replace the subject here. So the subject is the, and it is always placed before before the verb. A is the verb. So here we will be using QUI. So she visits the professor who is sick, right? Now the second one, I know the girl. The girl is also the girl is sitting on the chair. I know the girl who is sitting on the chair, right? And here also what we are replacing the subject. The subject and also the verb is here. So these two conditions are here, and we are also refer to the people and the thing. So here it is the girl is the people. So all these 3 conditions are satisfying this sentence. So here we will be using he. I know the girl who is sitting on the chair. So this is the key, the use of he. Now the next one is this. We will be doing where to use ka. Ka. The first one is it is always placed before the subject, right? It is used to replace an object. And do remember in the previous one we always replace the subject, right? And it is always placed before the verb. But here it is what? It is placed before the subject. And the second one is what? It is replaced an object, right? Okay. It is also used to refer the people and the thing are the same thing. The first one, see the example. This is the phrase, and I do not understand this phrase, right? This is a phrase that I do not understand. So here, what is this? We are replacing what? Right. We are replacing here an object. The object is this one, right? So here, Ilya iun faz. This is a phrase that I do not understand. Here we are not replacing the subject. The subject is there here. We are not replacing, but we are placing K before the subject. So here we do this. So this is a phrase that I do not understand. And always remember, if a condition like the est is there, the verb is there, so we always replace E with apostrophe. So this is the condition which we have to remember. Now the next example. This is the new dress. I have bought the new dress. Right? And here it's also we have to replace what? We have to replace here an object. The object is new dress, right? And the second condition is what? We always place it before the subject. So this condition is satisfied with QUE, that is key, that is ka. So the answer will be this is the new dress. This is the new dress that I have bought. That I bought. right? So these are the two pronoun relatives. And further, we will be discussing in the next video, that is the use of the use of the the use of who and the we will be discussing in the further video. Stay tuned with my video and please subscribe it for your updates. Next, thank you.